Okay, we're going on trip 11, folks. We invite you along. We changed our route. We were going to go to Berryessa for 2 days, and it just didn't look that inviting as far as camping there. So we're going back to Collins Lake, trying to catch some big trout. Now we couldn't get 117, but we got 122, right?
No, oh yes, yes.
122.
122.
Which is a few lakeside. Now can I get down? We won't know. And we're just going to take a 2-nighter.
Maybe fish.
Well, not maybe fish.
Fish.
Fish. It's the only reason to go there is the fish. But it was nice last time, and shoot, if I had a few more hours, we would have caught a fish, because they were catching fish when we left. Now, it's a month later, and the water's a little bit warmer, so you never know, but we're going to try. Okay, we'll see you on the next turn off and pulling into Collins. Yahoo! Trip number 11. Cal Root Peg and wife saying, I hope you're enjoying this. Bye.
Oh,
all right, we made it to Collins Lake. Of course, we forgot we have to dump. We have to dump before we go in. Yeah, we're back for big trout. That's about it. With Slick and Wilma. Slick Wilma. There she is, Slick Wilma. All right, you guys, we're going to go fishing and try to catch a big trout this time. Whether it takes us 1 or 2 days. Very warm here. Very, very warm. Last time we got poured on. Check it. But this trip 11, Cal Root Peg and wife dumping before we go find our campsite. We'll talk to you guys later. Hey, remember, subscribe. Please. Thanks. Bye. Well, road 2. 71 to 34.
okay.
Oh, baby, hold this. Hold this. Hold this. Okay. Eating an ice cream cone. Oh, this guy's coming right behind me. No, he's going straight. Okay. Let's get rid of this ice cream cone here. Eating an ice cream cone, driving and going through a park does not work. So, take time out for the ice cream cone. Okay, we're here. We were here last time. Look at all the people. This place was barren last time. Nobody was here.
April.
And now we're in June. And
June 25th.
we just bought $82 or more, not including the worms, of fishing supplies from this store up here. Hooks, $3.99. Weights, $3.99. Anyway, Cal Root Peg and wife, we're going to go find our spot, and we'll be right back. Bye.
What's that say?
Well, here we are, site 122. Yeehaw. We're on Collins Lake, and it is the week before 4th of July. 4th of July is next Thursday. This is Tuesday. You see right through there a big party boat. You rent houseboats and you just dock them up against where you're camping. Yeah. You got hammocks. They're here for the duration. And they stuck us up here on this point. They called this lakeside. I said, no, that's where we're going there tomorrow. That's where we were last time. We just fished right off the picnic table. But for right now, we're here. This is Collins Lake. Here comes another little party boat. Lots of them. The marina's right over there. They all come through here. So I'm just going to wait until I see something jump. It's about 3:30 now, so we're looking at around 4:30, maybe 5 o'clock. I'll go down there and give it a couple hours. Until then, this is Cal Root Peg and wife saying, hope you're having a good summer so far. Adios. no cell phone, no TV, no internet. At Collins Lake, June 29th, 2019, 5:30 in the morning. We'll be back. Thanks. Stay tuned. Okay, this is Collins Lake in June 29th. Last time we were here, it was like in February or March. It was just raining. Nobody was here. Place is packed. They have a houseboat. About 20, 30 kids over there. And this is the lake. Some little kid took my fishing spot. Let him go for it. We're going down there in about a couple hours where that class 3 is right there. That's where we're pulling into. We're going to spend a day there. I want to fish in my chairs. Collins Lake. I think it's around 6:30 right now, maybe 7. Beautiful up here. A lot of kids, a lot of boating, a lot of tubing. I haven't seen any water skiers, but I've seen a lot of tubers. Here, I'll walk you back on the other side just to show you down there. Down there, it's just packed in. Tent campers. Now, last time we were here, we were told we could only get a 20-footer in, but that class 3 is much longer than 20 feet. So, I guess if you can fit it in, you can fit it in. All right, Cal Root Peg and wife saying we'll see you in a little bit. One more night, and we're done here. Look at the mess. We are not the most fastidious campers alive, but hey, part of life. Talk to you later. I'm talking quietly. No, I'm not being rude. I'm just talking quietly. See you guys later. Bye. Well, it's always good when leftovers don't go to waste. Those squirrels are eating my noodles. Our camping noodles at Collins Lake, June 29th, 2019. Little squirrels eating our noodles. And here we are. We're still waiting for these guys to pack it up so we can get down to this level right down there. That's where we're going next. Talking quietly. But we're going to spend tonight there. Get a good shot at fishing it. All right. And he's still there. Look at that, man. He's one happy squirrel. I can't even see him in the viewfinder. Is that him? Yeah, look at him. There he is. Oh yeah. Freeze-dried noodles. 2 cups of water, boil for 7 minutes. All right, Cal Root Pig and wife, known as the Lost RVers. I'll talk to you in a bit. Here at Collins Lake. Bye now. Okay, we'll try to catch how many different kind of boating activities go on at Collins Lake on a June 29th, 2019, as we sit here waiting for our spot over there to open up. As soon as that guy leaves, we get into that one. So there's a couple kayakers. Oh, with a dog. 3 kayakers with a dog. A green, a red, and a white. All right. I'll be back with more. Cal Root Peg and wife. Remember, subscribe, just for the fun of it. All right. See you in a bit. Bye. Okay, so we went from right there, packed it all up, to right here, just so we can be right here. I had to wait a day. So we came down to here, right up there. They were right up there last night. Waited all morning for these people to pull out, and now I'll go around this way. We are right here again. This is where you want to fish. All right, folks, cow root pig and wife, day 2, Collins Lake, June 29th, 2019. Be right back. See ya. As close up as I can get. That's a party boat. It has a big tubular slide that goes off the back of it. And there must be 20 people on that sucker. Just one more water themed entertainment here at Collins Lake. You can rent those, by the way. That's what they're doing. See ya. Well, more activity. Paddle boating, or boarding, paddle boarding, tubing, and in comes a pontoon boat. Out fishing all morning. I remember him taking off. Alright. More stuff to do at Collins Lake in June 29th, 2019. Cow, root pig, and wife known as the Lost RVers. Waiting for that thing to go ding-a-ling-a-ling. Catch us a fish. Talk to you guys later. Bye. You hear that? Boombox on a boat, man. Bum, 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 bum. You hear that from here? Collins Lake, June 29th, 2019. Here we are. No bites yet. Check it back. Bye. Location to this location here, from 122 to 117. And when we left to come here, which is like 20 feet, there was a box of wood here. When we got it back, the box of wood was gone. Well, I was sitting here and some guy came up and said, "Oh man, we didn't mean to take your wood." I said, No, it's the other guy who left it. We had this place rented. We just had to go get the tag. And I said, "You keep it." He goes, "No," and he brought the wood back. So there you go. Honest people. Snagged their wood and brought it back. All right. We're just waiting for something to happen up here, man. These are green worms. That's something that they've been hitting on, apparently. Green worms. And they're out there. This guy's drift fishing. That's a pontoon boat. He's just going with the wind. All right. So I guess we're going to have a big old bonfire tonight. Cool. All right, cow, root, and pig, and wife out, and we'll talk to you whenever. Bye. Excitement on the lake. Broken down here. And over here we got the rooted toot toot. Give me 2 hoots. Doesn't that look like something out of a cartoon? Flintstones or, Dr. Seuss. Oh yeah, they had 2 of them tied up. It was hilarious. Collins Lake. You were wondering, this is site 117. This is where you want to be if you come out here. We'll talk to you guys later. Cow, root, pig, and wife, known as the Lost RVers. And this is a water day. Look at the canoes. If you get a lakefront down there, you can have all your little toys just anchored right off your camp spot. And the fishing is nada for me anyway. We still have some time. See you guys later. Be back. Yeah, there it is. There's it doesn't look like something out of the Flintstones or some cartoon. That's what you can rent. A little slide on the back. And they had a couple out there packed. They must have had 50 people on 2 of them tied together floating around. And over there you'll see someone broke down, getting towed back. Too much fun at Collins Lake, June 29th, 2019. Alright, we'll be back. Fishing is nada. Nothing. It was beautiful. Alright, talk to you guys later. Cow Root Pig and wife, the Lost RVers. Bye. Show you, I'm trying. Here's what we got here. We got yellow power bait. We got green, yellow chartreuse. I have hatchery dust that they feed the little hatchlings. I got red salmon eggs. I got these power bait fake worms. Nothing. I got garlic flavored green power bait. That's what everyone says they're hitting on. Not here. I even went out and got the psychedelic purple power bait. And then look at these. These are a trip. I'll open this one up. These are green. Look at that. Green fish eggs. They're so slimy and they're hard to pierce. Look at that. Look how much I'm pushing that. Like a rubber ball. Look at that. Didn't even pop. Check that out. Look at that. Still didn't pop. They're hard. Wow. Check this out, Patty. This is a salmon egg. Are these fake? What are these, man? Fireballs. Look at that. Where is it? I was trying to put them on a little treble hook and they just, holy cow. What is going on here? What's inside one of these? Let's push one down and see what happens. Oh, these must be fake. No, these are fake. These aren't salmon eggs. Soft, but satisfying. But anyway, got that. And then I got, here's a new one too. Green worms. Green worms. Everything's green up here. Green worms. All right. Oh, and now I just, we're pulling out all of the stops. We're going to try to have some trout, but we aren't hamburgers. But when all else fails, I brought out the Gouda. Bring me my Gouda. So there we be. We're trying. We're trying hard. That's the tackle. All right. We'll see you in a bit. Bye. Well, the evening comes to a conclusion. No fish. The poles are in the water. We'll leave them there overnight. A Presto log, store-bought wood, fire, and a pink sky. Oh. The night before the pullout. This is a 2-dayer. So we bid you adieu again, and we will talk to you in a bit. Adios. It's 8:40. I guess it's Thursday morning. We gotta get out of here at noon. No fish, folks. No fish. People are just getting up. Guys out there fishing. Apparently they're catching some out in the middle of the lake trolling. I haven't heard anybody catch any around here. So this is it. Trip number 11. I'm always talking soft because you can hear every word people say out here. They see me talking to this phone and they're going, holy cow, what's this guy doing? I'm going to take you inside real quick. Watch this. To show you the 175 RD now. My wife's still asleep. I've been up since 5:30. But I'll show you why I like this. She's sound asleep. She's behind that curtain right there. The door's wide open. And I'll show you what it looks like. Hold on. This is real time, 175 RD living. That's why I like it. I'm way down here. There's no reception out here at all, so we got a little DVD player. I got wings going. Watch. So I've been down here. I made my coffee this morning. Been watching TV. I've been fishing right out there. You can see my poles. So I just kind of sit in here. There's nothing going on out there. That's my window. And this is my little living room. That's why I like this 175 RD. I like the 212 QB2. That's back there. Now this, we decided not to back in. This is Collins Lake in Browns Valley, California. They have water and power. No septic, no sewer. And we're at Camp 117. You do not want to take campsite 112 or above. 117, 16, 15, 14, 11, and 12 is where you want to be. That's right around here. There it is. Collins Lake, trip number 11. In 175 RD. Pretty cool. Alright, people. We'll talk to you when we leave here. Bye. Well, finally, almost 9:30 in the morning, and I caught the whopper of the day. Look at that big bad mama. Shit, can you believe that? Alright, I didn't get skunked. I gotta take him off and throw him back in. It's even the trout. Cool. I caught one. Where is it? Where's that big mama? Just to show people that, hey, I am the master. Better put him back in. See you guys later. Bye. Cow root pig and wife. Lost RVers. Subscribe. More fun like that. Bye. Alright, all packed up, ready to take off. Again, if you like the spot on Collins Lake, 117, Browns Valley, California, and you're on Wolf Peninsula. Water is on three sides of you. You back in or pull forward. And there she be, the 175 RD. Okay, we're gonna go out and just maybe explore this place, drive around, see what else is out there. Talk to you in a bit. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna give you a little drive-through around the backside of Collins. There's boat docks down there. We're gonna go over there. That's like the swimming area, I guess. Right at the beach. I'm not sure where this goes. I think it goes up to the dam or the spillway. I just decided to take it. We got a 4x4 F-150 pick-me-up truck, so yeah, we may run into some snow up here. This is the backside. Collins over there. We got hound dogs. Hound dogs coming. Hound dogs are coming. Hello. All right. What happened to Robert? I'm gonna put some Traveling Robert music in the background. He has a YouTube station, does travel videos. It's called Traveling Robert. So if you're in an RV, or you just want to see some really nicely produced, edited videos of RVing and travel, Traveling Robert. And he also makes his own music, which we are listening to. Check this out. Is this day use? More, no?
Open camp area.
Wow, this goes all the way down. That's all beach down there too. We should have came back here and looked. Should we take the dirt? We're gonna take the dirt road. Because again, we got an F-150 4x4 pick-me-up truck. Wow, this is kind of nice. Turns gravel back here. Are you sure these are campgrounds? Or are they picnic grounds? Wow, this is nice, you guys. People are nice. All family. Oh, there is oh, look at that. This is dry camping down here. Baby, look how close we could have gotten. Oh, this is all dry camping, right? Lakeside. These are campsites 364 through 406, dry camping. Oh, look, he's sitting right down on the beach. And we're on those rocks.
Oh, you can't go past.
Oh, this is it?
Yep.
Okay, hey, Traveling Robert is getting kind of wild, man, in this horn section. Okay, this lady's looking at me filming everything. I didn't see it. All right, so we ain't filming you, ladies. Oh, there it is. There's the dam.
Ah.
There's the dam.
Oh, there's a fishing. There's someone fishing too.
And this is all dry camping campsites. Oh, look at this, babe. This is my, oh, that's where oh, we should pull and just see if they're catching any here. Yeah. So anyway, this is Collins Lake. First time I've been to the back side of it. Wow, look at these sites over here. Oh, you can drive right down to the beach. We're just gonna stop here for a second. I'm gonna put you on hold and I'll be right back. Okay, here we are at Collins Lake. This is the dam. And you can drive right down there and park right at the lake. Check this out. Look at these guys. This is dry camping, no utilities, but shoot, picnic benches. Look at that. Look at that one. Lakeside right there. All the way down.
Oh, babe, look at that.
We weren't prepared for dry. We really aren't prepared for dry camping. We don't have enough battery juice to last us more than a half a day at all. We did it. We've done it a couple times actually. But we haven't even made any consideration for solar power or generator yet. So if you're going to come down here, there's no water, there's no power, no septic, sewer, I mean. But look, you can just park almost anywhere. And of course, the best part is you got your own row of porta potties. Yeah, baby. Cal Root Peg and wife at Collins Lake this month of June 2019. Second trip back. Trying to catch some trout. Caught that baby one. But we wanted to give it a second shot because that's what we do. It's close. And the fish were jumping last time we were here. They're fishing right off the shore. Yeah, this is where you see a lot of Collins Lake footage of this. Someone will put this on pause, and this is the backside. We'll go down and look at the swimming area, just to show you folks. But the area that we just came from, that's the only place you're gonna have hookups. All down here, it's all dry camping, boondocking, baby, boondocking, boondocking. All right, talk to you guys later. Cal Root Peg and wife. Remember, subscribe if you would. Thanks. Bye. All right, so apparently down here is where you can dry camp. And when the lake's way down, you can camp way down there. Just pull up, park right. I guess this is the area where they're allowing just dry camping. If you want to pull in here, getting ready for 4th of July. They're getting ready for 4th. They're getting ready for 4th of July weekend.
Oh.
That's what they're doing. This place is going to go nuts. But yeah, you can park right down there and just do what this guy's doing out the front door of your RV. I like this. There's the dam. Yeah, next week is 4th of July. This place apparently is just going to be just bombarded with musicians, and over at the beach, we're going to go there. All right, just want to show you, man. All this is just available. I think it's $32 a night. Goes all the way over there. Goes along the whole edge of that lake.
Down there too, somewhere.
It's all dry camping. All dry camping. All right. This is Collins Lake in the front. This is Collins Lake. June 2019. Brought to you by Cal Root Peg and Wife, known as the Lost RVers. Please subscribe to our channel. Brought to you by Terrible Fisherman, a guy that likes to fish but never catches a fish. I did this week, a small one. See ya. See what we get next. We're leaving, so bye. So we're just on a gravel road. Look at this. You park anywhere you want. You camp right down there. People have their boats moored right off their campsites.
Oh, see, baby, you can fish right there.
Look at that. Everywhere. They're all, and I just found out, some of these are for group camps. I found out they're all $62 a night, whether you 65, whether you park in a place like we had, or you dry camp it. Oh, here they are. Remember, I want to see at 202. No through traffic. Oh well. We'll go through anyway. But this is a great little tour of Collins Lake. Look at it right down there camping. Or fishing. Is this day use or is this camping? No camping this side, alright, so that's day use. And apparently this is where they're catching when you go into these, right along the bank. Right along the bank. I saw a bunch of boats just kind of back into the bank and then kind of drift out. Oh, here we go. What's all this up here? Okay, it's 221. Oh, they have hookups here. That's why it's so packed. They got water and power. So we were thinking about this next time, but this is up on a ledge. You're lake adjacent, but you aren't lakeside. I like that dry camping area the best, babe. Man, these guys are packed in. Everyone's getting ready for 4th of July, I think. Looking at me. Why are you videoing me? Video. Uh-oh, what do we got here?
Oh, good. We can turn around.
Oh, this is the boat. Oh, this is the beach. You want to get out here and check it out? Or going the other way? Let's go the other way. So this is this is public launching here. Here it is right here. What does this say? There we go. Oh, little paddle boats. That's where they've been getting all this stuff from. Yeah. And there's public. Oh, look, the kids are over there diving in. There's public swimming right there, protected from the sharks. Wow. They don't have a little hot dog stand here? All right. Well, I'll put this on pause. I'm just trying to show you guys. There aren't any really long in-depth looks at Collins Lake on YouTube that I could find. A couple of professionally produced one for the. Oh, look at down here now.
General Jim's Burgers.
Hey, okay, let's get out.
We don't have any cash.
Huh? What do you mean? What do we have?
Cash.
I got 20 bucks.
Oh, do you?
All right. This is the beach area. Boat rentals over there. Wife doesn't want to partake in any of the activities. All right. Climbing up and out. We'll be right back. Exciting. Bye. All right, that's it for Collins Lake. They're flying Old Glory. Week before 4th of July, this place is going to be a nut house. We pretty much showed you everything. There's a little place up here we didn't show you. I think this is day use on this side up here. Do you want to go down and look at it for future references? Maybe we'll take a ride down there real quick. I don't know. But it's on this side of the lake.
Oh.
We haven't been there yet.
No, you have to.
Oh, I have to swing around. Well, we're going.
Semi-permanent.
I think we can forgo this. But there's stuff on this side too, but all the happening stuff's where we showed you. Should have taken some time, gone down to the boat rental place, but we're on another fishing trip. And that's what you do when you fish. So we're gonna come up here. They do have great dump stations. You almost feel like you have to dump just because they're so nice. Well maintained, easy access. You pull in, dump, get on your way. Cal Root Pagan Wife, known as the Lost RVers. I have no clue where trip number 12 is. Where's trip number 12 going to be?
Don't forget to pull over. Oh, wait. It's on
These
your
guys,
side, right?
these guys are moving. Here we go into the dump station. Trip number 12, folks. Where should we go?
Davis Lake.
Davis Lake? That's dry
Or
camping.
did you want to do Berryessa?
Berryessa looks like a dog. I say we go south and go to one of the desert lakes in California, Mono Lake. Maybe Mono Lake, but we're gonna do it soon, sometime in July, because you gotta take one trip a month to pay for this puppy, right? Everyone's leaving. So we'll talk to you later. Thanks for coming along. Kind of a boring one, but this is Collins Lake Part 2. We came back. And I caught a little baby fish. I'll show it to you when I publish this. Remember, subscribe to this station. Help us out. Have a nice day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye. Now we're officially leaving Collins Lake in Browns Valley, California, in the month of June. I've been saying the 29th, but it's only the 27th, so God, I'm a few days off. Look at that up there. Nice place to live. Here you go. Southwest Real Estate. In case some of you out there in New York City sitting in those little cubicles want to move out to the Great West. Here's another one. White Horse Ranch and Feed. Horse country up here. And now we're back on whatever road this is. All right, that's Collins Lake right there. All right, there. Hold on, move back here. Let me get a picture of that so people. There it is. Collins Lake, Browns Valley, brought to you by Cal Rupeg and wife known as the Lost RVers. Signing off. Hope you're having a wonderful summer. Trip number 12 is coming up, and we will see you
Ben.
again on the road. Bye.